Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
So last year we had allocated around 4 crores for development to the corporation from the corporation fund. So this year we increased it to around 7 crores. Now one thing also that we've done, and our collection have gone up. Now because of that 2016 High Court case, house tax revenue has actually dropped. It's dropped by around 3 crores, 3.5 crores. But in spite of that also we managed to have a profit around 2 crores. And we made savings all throughout. Our revenue has gone up all throughout from the ferries, from everything like that. So we've done pretty well. So. For the bus shelter thing especially, advertising was part of the thing. Now whoever the contract went to, they were displaying the advertising without any revenue coming to the corporation also, which technically is illegal. So based on that, we took down all of their signages. Now even the smart city mission, the revenue is supposed to be shared with the corporation also. The corporation gets the blame the moment something goes wrong, but if we don't get a share in the revenue to maintain the properties, it becomes an issue for us also. Even though the projects have been executed so far, maintaining it will become an issue if we don't have a share in the revenue.